Find the Norton equivalent looking into terminals AB of the circuit in figure. Solution. First we will redraw the circuit. Now we have to find Rn and In. So to find Rn, this will be Rn. Now we will turn off the independent sources. This is a voltage source, so this will be short circuited. This is a current source, so this will be open circuited. So Rn is equal to 20 plus 20 ohm plus 10 ohm parallel with 40 ohm. 10 ohm parallel with 40 ohm. So this will be 20 plus 10 into 40 divided by 10 plus 40. 20 plus 10 into 40 divided by 10 plus 40. So it is 28 ohm. 28 ohm is the value of Rn. Next we have to find In. So to find In, we will short circuit the terminal A and B, and this will be current In. Now let's assume this is reference node and this is voltage V1. This node is connected to ground, so this will be 0 directly. Now let's say this is current I1, this is current I2 and this is current I3. So apply KCL at node V1. So summation of all the entering current is I1 is equal to leaving current is I2 plus I3 plus 3. I2 plus I3 plus 3. So this will be I1 is equal to 40 minus V1 by 10. 40 minus V1 divided by 10 is equal to I2. I2 is V1 minus 0 by 40. V1 minus 0 by 40 plus I3. I3 is V1 minus 0 by 20. V1 minus 0 by 20 plus 3. This will be 40 by 10 will be 4 minus V1 by 10 minus V1 by 40, then minus V1 by 20 is equal to 3. This will be minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 40 minus 1 by 20. Minus 7 by 40. Minus 7 by 40. V1 is equal to 3 minus 4. So this will be V1 is equal to, this will be minus 1. Minus 1 into, this will be minus 40 by 7. So therefore V1 is equal to 40 divided by 7 is 5.71. 5.71 volt is the value of V1. We have to find current In. For that we need current I3. So In is equal to I3 plus 3. I3 plus 3. Now I3 is V1 minus 0 by 20. V1 minus 0 by 20 plus 3, and V1 is 5.71 by 20 plus 3. So 5.71 by 20 plus 3, 3.28. 3.28 is the value of IN. Now we have the value of IN and RN. From this we can draw Norton's equivalent circuit. This will be RN, and in parallel with RN, the current source is IN. This is IN is equal to 3.28 ampere. 3.28 ampere, and RN is equal to 28 ohm. 28 ohm. This is terminal A and this is terminal B. What we have to find? We have to find Norton equivalent. So this is the Norton equivalent. For electrical and electronics engineering related questions and answers, visit the link in the description below.